3D puzzles, or are they model kits where they're flat sheets and they're press out parts that can make into some pretty impressive models? You can explore space, build world famous landmarks in a variety of scales, even the ways to travel to, and maybe the odd flight of fancy. There's certainly a great range to choose from, so we've taken 6 of these kits to build and review for you, and here they are. So here we are again, and it's time to build the Wallace and Gromit Sidecar Plane. And as you can see by the packaging, it's absolutely no nonsense. The company that makes these kits, BYO, are a very eco-friendly company. They don't believe in maximum waste. They go for absolute minimum waste and try not to use any plastics in their products, which is great. So let's see what's in the box and get this. Oh, isn't that nice? Nice picture of from a close shave of Wallace and Gromit, a cut out and keep picture. Not only an eco-friendly company, but their instruction sheets are fantastic. Very little, as you see, very little wastage. Oh look, there's even the rocket on there, and that's it, that's the packaging. So let's look at the sheets. We've got Gromit face there. Now of course we're using a different media this time, and this is more of a flexible papery type thing, so should be interesting with that. And we've got 2 sheets of the paper stuff. Oh, I like the control panels, even got the rudder pedals in. They do go in for detail. Well, you've just seen the instruction sheets. And that's the 3rd sheet of paper. Some elastic bands there, which are, I should imagine, for the mechanisms. Of course, Wallace and Gromit are copyright Aardman Animations. So we've got 4 sheets of parts, hard card parts. Oh, I've just knocked all the pieces out of that one. And it looks like we start with the propeller. And so there we have it, Gromit's Sidecar Aeroplane. And that's it. The BYO Gromit Sidecar Aeroplane kit differed from the other kits reviewed, as it was the only one that wasn't made of foam board. It took about an hour and 20 minutes to assemble the 60 or so pieces. A bit of a strip down had to happen because of a couple of bits we accidentally left off. There's no reflection on the instructions. We were impressed with the working features, the pop-out porridge cannon and the pop-out wings, the rotating propeller, and the instructions. Well, they were amazing. They were the best instructions of any of the kits that we reviewed. Clear and concise, and as you can see, each stage carefully photographed and illustrations to show you exactly how it should look at that stage. Yeah, on a slight downside, some of the light card parts were a little tricky to fit in their slots, but went in using a bit of care and attention not to damage them. But that said, the kit was a real joy to build, and certainly one for the fans of Aardman Animations, Wallace and Gromit. I'd highly recommend it, and BYO certainly are a company that really do design their kits, and yeah, 10 out of 10. Well, that's all we've got time for this show. We hope you enjoyed it and hope you enjoy doing your modelling. So until next time, we'll see you then.